Luann, are you went to law school to prepare for where you are now, right?
Yeah, that's correct. After a career as an environmental engineer, which I did for about 19 years, I was ready to do something different. And my vision was starting to make that difficult to work as an engineer. So I just decided to go to law school. And I went to Widener University School of Law in Wilmington, Delaware. And my first year there, I was sitting in my criminal law class. And I should say, before I went to law school, I really did not have any connection with the NFB or with the blind community. I was the only blind person I knew, really, at the time. So in law school, my first year, I was sitting in my criminal law class. And before the class started, me and a couple other students were chatting with the professor, and she was telling us about a young man in New Jersey who had murdered someone, and a horrible crime. And the professor then states, well, both of his parents were blind. And I was just outraged by that statement. She knew that I was blind, and why she thought that this person's parents were blind had anything to do with his crime was just really amazing to me. So I looked at the student sitting to the left of me, and I said, I need to be with people like me. And so I sought out the Northern Delaware chapter of the NFB of Delaware, and I went to a couple of their meetings while I was at law school. I found law school to be all consuming, so I didn't have a lot of spare time. But that led me to, finding other people like me, finding the NFB, and it led me to coming here after I graduated from law school to the NFB, where I worked as a volunteer for several months. And then I was offered a job, and I have been here for 18 years since then. So it's kind of amazing how that was an epiphanal moment for me, and it changed my life. It really did.
Thank you.